Connie and Curtis.
You have been here to Grand Rapids before, though. Do you remember that?
I have. I did 30 minutes or less there. Me and Danny McBride and Aziz and Jesse. I remember we got hammered one night. You know,
do you remember where?
It was one weekend where Danny McBride was like, "Man, let's go out." It's like, this is boring, man. Let's go out.
So where'd you go? Do you remember?
We were all over, but we were mainly. Oh my gosh, what's that 5-level bar where the comedy club is?
The Bob.
Oh yeah,
We're right next door to the Bob.
Yeah, that's where our radio station is, right next door to it.
Right next to the Bob?
Yeah, the Bob.
The Bob. Are we talking
Yeah,
like...
we got Smashly Simpson, dude. We were hammered.
Smashly Simpson.
That's awesome.
I want to start saying that.
Smashly Simpson.
Smashly Simpson.
That's where you're so drunk you start lip syncing along to your own voice. You can't do it.
I got so drunk that I went away from them. Like, I just stumbled away. And then I fell asleep against a stop sign on the corner.
Oh, no.
And then an hour later, they were, like, in a car and with some random people. And they drove past me and they honked. And I didn't know who they were. So I was like, go away.
Did you just burp?
He's a character actor. He's remembering
Did you just
back.
belch on our show? You just belched.
Yeah, I know. Deal with it.
Yeah, character actor. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing.
He's a character actor.
So they honked, and you didn't know who it was?
Yeah, and so Danny's like, get in the car. And I was like, I don't want to be murdered. And they were like, it's us, idiots. And then I got in the car and they got me home. But
this story and more on the stage at Soaring Eagle on June 22nd.
Oh, my God.
Connie and Curtis.